On the edge of this cliff in Netanya, the rescue team is busy. Their goal? Saving a young boy stuck deep down at the bottom of the cliff. It is just a simulation. In this training center, the rescue workers are using a new tool, a drone equipped with a coil of wire to tie a rope between the two ends of the cliff. Idan Peretz, a former officer in an elite unit of the Israeli Defense Forces, designed this system.
I was frustrated from not having a sufficient solution in the army, that there was always not enough time to develop such a product.
After 20 years in the Israeli army, this entrepreneur created Hynovate, a startup that develops innovative solutions for technical problems, working in the field at great heights.
When you spend a lot of time in the army, you become mission-oriented. It's a teamwork, very important in rescue and also in army missions.
Just like Idan Peretz, Yaniv Bar and Udi Cohen decided to turn a new career after 15 years in the IDF. Today, they design practical tools for resolving real issues. Together, they developed the Combar, a multi-tool that they test on a regular basis here, near Kibbutz Ramat HaShofet, located in the north of the country.
Instead of using several bulky tools, a shovel, a knife, a hammer, a saw, an axe, we have this. It combines all the tools and fits in your hand.
Yaniv Bar and Udi Cohen are veterans of an elite IDF unit. They also relied on their military training to reach their goals. Economic experts and entrepreneurs are positive that the army is a major contributor to Israel's status as a leader in the high-tech field, with the impressive number of more than 4,300 startups in the country.